Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Actually, I just had fun with my VIVITAR AEROVIEW video drone, and even though I had a terrible crash, it still gracefully, took off. It went airborne like no man's business, and I had a lot of fun with it. So to top that off, I'm just gonna fly this protocol KAPTUR GPS2. I'm gonna push it to the limit right now. Without further ado, let's go. This drone actually, it flies somewhat like the VIVITAR AEROVIEW video drone. That's why I like flying it, and it gives me the feeling that I'm flying my AEROVIEW. But I'm not taking anything away from this drone. It is a fine drone, and it has a lot of nice features which I have reviewed on some of my previous videos. But today we're gonna put this drone and fly to its limit. We're gonna make sure that we test it to the utmost just by flying, nothing else. So we are still warming up. We're gonna push it to the limit. Sit back and enjoy the flight. Yep, wait for it. Oh yeah, wait for it. Look at that. We just gonna fly the whole 9 yards. Top speed. Oh yeah. All right, let's push it. Here it comes. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about right there. Oh yeah. Nothing else, guys, just flying it, just pushing it. Just pushing it. Uh-huh. Oh yeah. Ooh-wee. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Look at that. Oh yeah. Okay, let's bring it down. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Wow, that's what I'm talking about. Look at that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Every drone lover knows how I'm feeling right now. Oh yeah. Anyone who loves to fly knows what I'm feeling. Or knows how I'm feeling. You. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Look at it. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Let's go. Pushing it the whole 9 yard, pushing it. Woo! Let's go. Oh, I feel so happy. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Yeah. Fly, fly, fly. Let's go, let's go. Oh yeah. Let's go. pushing it to the limit. Oh yeah. Let's bring it down. Oh yeah. Look at it. Let's go land this baby. Oh yeah. Wow. It was a fun one, guys. I hope you guys are enjoying yours wherever you are. All right, let's take it home. Let's take it home. Oh yeah. Please comment below, subscribe, questions are welcome. Let's land this baby. Drifting a little bit, but we have to land it on this table. Keeps drifting, it drifts away. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Yeah. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, comment below, and see you on my next video. Thank you.